What's up, everybody? It's the Constitution State here. Today's video comes to us from Lens of Law. It was nice. They added all the information, everything. Original video will be in the description. This involves the Marshfield Police Department and one of the most entitled Karens I've ever seen. She tries to use and call the police to scare her boyfriend, then hangs up, then denies even calling them, starts screaming. Her boyfriend doesn't know what's going on, comes running to the door to defend her, realizes it's the cops, steps back, gets tased. I don't agree with them tasing him, but besides that, I think they did all right. I think they should have arrested her like they did. They should charge them. They need to start charging these people that abuse the phone line and the police line and calling the cops on innocent people. Because usually, from what I'm seeing, half the times the innocent person end up getting falsely charged or beat up or hurt because somebody called and lied, called and made things up. So yes, they need to start being held accountable.
March 19th, 2023 in Marshfield, Wisconsin, a distressing 911 call was received from a female urgently requesting an officer's assistance, but refusing to provide further information. The call was accompanied by the sounds of a male shouting in the background. In response, officers were promptly dispatched to the location traced through the ping of the female's cell phone.
Police department! Police department, open the door! Police department, open the door!
Hello?
Hey, this is Officer Clash, the Marshfield Police Department, calling you. What's going on? Well, we got a call from this number stating, okay, well, what apartment are you guys in? Well, we're trying to, we just want to make sure everything's okay, alright? So we just got to check on everyone. Okay. Well, how would you know we're knocking on the door?
We're not leaving, come to the door! Open the door!
Oh. What's going on?
I have to go to work. No, I have to go to work.
Okay.
I'm not willing to be late for work.
Okay, what's going on?
I have to, nothing.
Okay.
Nothing, I have to go to work. I don't even know why you guys are here. Get away from me, please. You're making me feel, I want the chief of police here.
Okay.
Whoever the supervisor is, I want here.
Okay, he's coming.
Okay, I have to go to work. I don't have time for this, sir. I have to go to work.
So you called in.
No, I didn't. I don't know who called you.
Okay.
I did call you.
What's your phone number? Let's start with that.
603-85. I'm from New Hampshire. Well, I'm from Massachusetts originally.
Okay, so who's in the apartment with you?
Me?
Okay, who else?
Me?
Because there's someone else.
I have to get ready, sir.
Okay.
I have to go to work. I have to go to work.
We got a call.
Hello?
Hi.
Oh.
Okay, so that's the number that called 911.
I actually have two different numbers on my
That's
phone.
the number that called 911.
Oh, you're right, it was.
They needed some help.
Okay.
So that's why we're here.
I have to go to work, y'all. I have to go to work. I have to go to work. I have to go to work. I'm not talking to you. I'm not speaking to you. I have to go to work.
Who else is inside? Okay.
I have to go to work. You guys are going to cause me to lose my job. Please let me go to work. There's no one inside. Please let me go home. Please. I have to go to work. I have to go to work, sir.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh my God, stop.
Get the fuck away from her.
Oh my God,
Get over here.
stop.
Get the fuck away from her. Get on the
Oh my
ground.
God.
Get on the ground.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
Baby's in there. My baby's in there. No, sir, I'm sorry. My baby. Guys, please.
Stop.
I'm not doing anything. Guys, baby, please. He's in the bathroom, guys, in the bathroom. Please go get him. No one,
I didn't do anything. I thought you guys were hurting my wife. I didn't do anything.
Officer! I can't breathe! He just tased my boyfriend for no reason!
You need to
calm down.
Take her outside.
He just, no, I can't breathe it, no!
You're gonna go up?
I can't, I
Let's go
I
outside.
Ow. Oh my God! I can't believe this!
I gotta adjust this cuff too before. Okay, hold on. I just tighten down when she was pulling. Hold on one second.
I need to lose my apartment!
No, you are
Fuck
yelling.
you! Fuck you!
Arguing in the police car is full. I didn't do anything.
Brandon, your first name, right?
Yes,
Brandon,
sir.
all we had to do was talk about that, right?
Okay.
That's all we wanted to do when we came here. Can we sit you up?
Can you take the taser out of my leg,
Yeah,
please?
we want to sit you up though so you're not laying on it, okay?
Guys, I didn't do anything wrong.
You came out tensed up at us, man. You can't be doing
Come
that.
out with your fist.
I
ready
didn't
to
leave
go.
my apartment.
She's saying they tased him for no reason. They wouldn't have tased him if she didn't call the cops and lie. Do you guys think he needed to be tased? I don't. I think he stepped out, realized it was the cops, stepped back, put his hands up. He was not a threat. She's completely unhinged. This lady is nuts. But like I said, I agree with everything besides actually tasing this man, because I don't think he needed to be tased. Look at how she acts. She acts like a child. Screaming, yelling, trying to get her way, and it only gets worse. She's obviously a loose cannon.
I did not leave my apartment.
You did, but you can't come out trying to fight us.
He just lost his job.
Alright.
He just lost his job. I can't afford to lose my job. Please help me. Please. Please. Guys. Please. Please. I'm gonna lose my job.
Have a seat in here.
I'm gonna lose my job. Please don't. Please, I'm not gonna run. Why would you guys handcuff me? I wasn't running.
Okay, listen. You called 911. Just listen, all right? All right?
I called 911 because he was being a douchebag. I was just trying to threaten him with the fucking cops.
Okay, that's
That was
inappropriate,
it.
first of all, right?
I understand that, but
Okay.
he wasn't doing anything, and I wasn't doing anything.
Okay, you got every police officer over here because we thought someone was being murdered, beat up, and
No, I'm fine. You guys did all of
And when
this.
we
He
show up-
thought that you were hurting me. Of course he came out here to help me. He thought you guys were hurting me.
okay, you called
You
911.
just tased him.
Yeah.
He wasn't doing anything.
Okay, she can go in the car.
No, please. I have to
Put
go
your
to-
legs inside.
Sir, I have to
Put
go
your
to-
legs inside
I'm
the vehicle.
trying to talk to you like a normal
Put your
person.
legs inside the vehicle.
Please talk to me.
No, put your legs inside the vehicle right now.
Can you please talk to me?
No, put your legs
Can you
inside.
put the window down?
We can roll the window
Can
down.
I please be in the know? I want to know what's happening. Guys, please. I have to work. I'm under arrest.
Yep.
You're
Why?
under arrest for obstructing an officer, first of all.
I'm going to jail.
No, you're not going to jail. You're under arrest right now.
I have to work at noon, guys. I can't afford to lose my job.
I'm sorry. You shouldn't have called 911. And
I didn't do anything, sir.
yes, you did.
So I'm going to lose the work at noon. Please.
Put your leg in.
Put your leg in, or you will go to jail. Put your leg in the car. No, you're going.
All right, no,
No,
okay, I'm sorry.
no, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
Put your-
please, can you
put
put
your
the
leg
window
in-
down, please?
Put your leg in the car.
Please put the window down a little
Put
bit.
your leg in the
Just a
car.
little bit. It's just a little bit.
That was weird.
How you doing, Officer Bird?
I'm okay.
Nice to see you
I'm
again.
gonna take care of you here, buddy.
I hope there's not going to be anything stupid from this. Nobody's hurt. I don't feel like I'm not going to make paperwork out of it. So if you need needle nose, I have needle nose in the cabinet.
Please put the window
I'll put the
down.
window down a little bit. Stop
Someone
yelling.
Please talk to me. I need to know what's going on, please, sir.
You're being arrested for 1, disorderly conduct. 2, resisting an officer.
I wasn't
3,
resisting, sir.
that-
I have to go to work at noon, please.
that is resisting an officer.
Sir, I have to go to work at noon.
And 3, for obstructing an officer by filing a false police report, which caused us.
He wasn't. I called the police because he was yelling.
Okay, you told me that you just made that up.
No, I told you he was
That
yelling.
he was being
so
a
I called the
douchebag.
cops.
Yeah,
Sir, I can't afford to lose my job.
I'm sorry about that.
So do I have to go down to the station?
You're gonna come down to the station right now, yeah.
Can you bring me back now? I'm trying to be back before work, please.
No,
So is she going to be held?
We don't know yet.
you just
I have
screamed
a
in
baby.
my face.
I'm sorry. I have a baby I have to take care of.
Where's your baby right now?
In there.
In there?
Yes, sir. I have to go to work.
Okay.
Please, I have to go to work, please.
So who's gonna watch the baby?
I'll call out. I'll call out. I just have to be there for my baby. Please don't take him away from me.
All right, we're not gonna take your baby, but we gotta find somebody for him right now. We have to go through what just happened right here, and
Sir.
we're gonna go do that at the police department.
Okay, well, can we go now? I have to work.
You want to call them and just let them know you're gonna be late?
I can't. I'm the one that opens.
Well, I'm sorry, but that's not gonna happen right at this exact moment. So.
Okay, well, yeah, can I please call them? Everything's in my phone.
Okay. Well, we'll have to go get that in a second here.
Sir, what's going on with my boyfriend?
I don't know. I'm out here talking to you. Do you think I know?
Okay, your decisions got you here. My decisions? I didn't do anything besides try getting her to calm down and cook her breakfast this morning. I didn't do anything besides cook bacon and sausages for us.
What part of cooking has you stepping through a doorway with your fist raised at police?
We have to work through what happened to make sure that nothing else happened, all right? And we're not going to rush this because you're on a time schedule.
Sir, please. Nothing happened. He was yelling and I called the cops and that is it.
Okay, you were screaming that
You guys just look
That
for
we need to get there.
reason to arrest me. I don't get it.
I don't even know who you are.
I'm not telling you.
Okay, well then that's another reason we're not going to let you go then. She said that her boyfriend was being a douchebag and that she wanted him to get scared.
Yep. That's basically what he said.
Obstructing, disorderly conduct, and resisting, in my opinion.
Yeah.
So when she started screaming like she's being right now, he came through the door like,
We were hurting.
Yeah.
yeah, like we were hurting her.
Fist up, ready to go.
Does he need to go to jail over this? There's a baby in the room in there?
Yep.
Okay, so if he's rational and capable, let's leave him there based on the circumstances.
Okay. Are you gonna stay calm?
Yes, I promise.
Okay.
See, your
I
friends are
need
going to
you.
work.
I need you to stay calm and cooperative at this point. All right. I'm gonna have Officer Fox unhandcuff you so you can tend to your baby.
Okay. What is your name?
Sir, I'm not yet. Please, I have to go to work.
Okay, what is your name?
I have to go to work.
I'm asking you what your name is
Why?
so I can address you.
Shakira.
Okay, is that your name?
Shakira. You can call me Shakira.
Shakira what?
Shakira Flabbergasted.
Shakira Flabbergasted. Okay. Do you have any mental illnesses that I need to be concerned about?
No, just bring me to the fucking police station. Or can someone let me call my work, please?
Not at this time.
Sir, I cannot afford to lose my job, please. Please. Can I please call my work?
Not at this time. I told you
Why?
that. Because you're under arrest.
Sir, can you call them for me? All you have to do is go in my phone.
I don't have your phone with you.
And I wasn't lying earlier. I have two different numbers on one phone. I have an eSIM card and a regular SIM card. I was not lying to you guys. I'm gonna lose my job.
I don't know what to tell you.
Sir, please just
No, your actions are way inappropriate, and your neighbors don't have to put up with this.
Sir, I just want to make sure I don't lose my job.
I don't know what to tell you. I will call them.
Why would you tase him? He wasn't doing anything wrong. You guys are so fucking trigger happy. It's ridiculous. All cops deserve to get shot.
Okay.
Fucking tase my fucking husband? What the fuck kind of shit is that? There's fucking 6 of you. You guys could have bum rushed him, you fucking loser. Bring me to the hospital.
For what?
Bring me to the hospital.
For what?
Bring me to the hospital. I want to kill myself and I feel like I want to kill myself. Bring me to the hospital.
Okay. Duly noted.
Bring me to the hospital. I want to kill myself. I'm having thoughts of suicide. Bring me to the hospital. Bring me to the hospital. I'm having thoughts of suicide. I want to kill myself. I'd like to talk to an officer.
Okay. What would you like to talk about?
I would like to go to the hospital. I'm feeling suicidal.
We're not going to take you to the hospital because you're going to go to jail. So,
Really?
Yep.
Wait, what is he doing then?
we're still working through that, but
Wait, why am I going to jail?
I told you that already.
Can I just get bailed out?
No.
Wait, I'm going to jail? For
Yeah.
real? Wait, why? I'm going to sleep in a prison? Sir, why am I getting arrested?
For disorderly conduct, obstructing an officer.
He's not getting arrested?
We may arrest him too, yeah. But
So what about my baby?
we'll take care of the baby.
Oh my God, you're going to take my baby?
I'm not going to take your baby.
CPS coming to get my baby?
Did I say that? No, I did not say that at all. Okay.
Why can't I just get bailed out?
Because in
Oh my God, please, sir, please, no, please.
I'll be 1095
Sir,
to the PD,
please.
beginning of 74990. 74990.
Oh,
I don't have
God.
a name for you
What's
right now.
going on with my baby? Is he getting arrested? Sir, why am I getting arrested?
Because you created a giant disturbance here.
I didn't do anything. I didn't know that I was resisting. I was just trying to see if he was okay. Sir, please don't do this. I will swear to God, I will stop from here on out, guys. Please. Please.
No part of your actions have
Sir,
caused me to believe you.
I'm trying to talk to you like a normal person right now, sir. Please.
Okay. You have not identified yourself
My
yet
name
either.
is Caleb. My birthday is 10. My social security number is. Please, sir, don't arrest me, please. I guess I'm already arrested.
You are arrested, yes.
I only called because I was trying to scare him into not yelling at me anymore. I was wrong. That was wrong. I was wrong. That was illegal. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I don't know why I'm the one getting arrested.
Because of your behaviors after it.
Sir, please don't arrest me.
You are arrested right now.
Okay, well, please don't let me stay over the night. I promise my actions will change.
I'm not seeing a significant change in your behavior, but...
Okay, I'm sorry. I'll stop. I'm sorry.
Just take a couple breaths. We'll talk. Hey, just take it.
No, I don't.
You're not listening. Take a couple breaths, and we'll talk when we're at the PD. Just breathe for a couple minutes. That's all I'm asking you to do. Okay, we're going to step out of the car. We're going to go in my booking area, and you're going to have a seat. All right?
Officer, I really don't want to. Please, I know I don't have a choice, but guys, I didn't know that I was resisting.
I tried to not stop it too much because it was a long video. But what do you guys think about that? She should have been thinking about her job and her rent and her child before she called the police and made a false report. She didn't care about any of that before. Now it all matters. Seems like the dude's a chill dude and she's the problem. I'm glad they didn't arrest him and I'm glad they didn't take the child. Like I said, besides tasing him, I think they did a good job. That cop kept his cool with her screaming and yelling and saying everything she said. Cool as a cucumber. How it should be. And like I said, they need to start charging people that abuse the police phone system and making false reports. It happens all the time, and usually they refuse to do anything about it. So it was good to see him do something in this case. Let me know what you guys think. Leave comments. Let me know. Thank you guys, and I'll see y'all in the next one.